In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to use the touch keyboard in Windows 10. There are times when you'll need to be able to type in a document or a web page, as you see here. In order to do that, first we have to make sure that the touch keyboard is accessible. Touch and hold the taskbar and make sure there's a check next to Show Touch Keyboard button. Once you verify it's there, you should see a keyboard button in the lower right-hand corner. Touch the keyboard button and the touch keyboard will appear. In order to begin typing, you need to make sure you have a flashing cursor in the place you wish to type. And once you verify it's there, begin typing.